begin with your pork ribs. Make sure to slice and remove the membrane on the underside of the pork ribs. This will make them tender and soft, and the meat will fall off the bone quite easily. For your spice rub, you can get it ready-made from the store or make your own. Mine is half a cup of brown sugar, a teaspoon of cumin, a teaspoon of onion powder, a teaspoon of smoked paprika, a teaspoon of dried oregano, and a teaspoon of cayenne pepper. Whisk the spices together and rub on each side of the pork. Make sure to get the mixture everywhere, including the sides. Add some salt and pepper to finish it off. Wrap the rag really well to keep it moist and for it to slow cook. Place in the oven at 300 degrees Fahrenheit.
2 hours later.
Your pork should be beautifully cooked. Coat your rack of ribs with your favorite barbecue sauce. After your ribs are beautifully coated, broil for about 10 minutes. As you can see guys, it's cooked perfectly, still juicy and falls off the bone quite easily. Time for me to enjoy. If you have a comment or a request, leave a comment down below. Don't forget to leave a like and a subscribe for more cooking on a budget videos. Thanks for watching guys, enjoy.